Hey kids, this is week 4, Tides Check for Understanding oral recording. There are only 5 questions on this check for understanding. Make sure that you get a score of 70 or higher in order to receive credit for this assignment. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, of course, at the very beginning, you're going to put your first and last name, right, obviously. And then you're going to go ahead and select your class period, 1st through 8th period. And like I said, there's 5 questions. The first question is, spring tides occur when the blank moon can be seen from Earth. Check all that apply. Would that be new moon, first quarter, full moon, or third or last quarter? Next question. Neap tides occur when the blank moon can be seen from Earth. Again, check all that apply. Do I see neap tides during the new moon, first quarter, full moon, or third and last quarter? Next question asks you to identify the spring and neap tides in the diagram below. So where would I find spring and neap tides? Here's my sun's position. The sunlight is in this direction. Tell me where I would find the spring and neap tides. Would it be at positions 1 and 3 or positions 2 and 4? Next question. How does the position of the moon, earth, and sun influence the high and low tides on Earth? And again, it's got the same image as before. Is the high tides higher than normal, meaning the low tide is lower than normal at positions 1 and 3 or at positions 2 and 4? And is the high tide that is lower than normal and the low tide is higher than normal, is that going to occur at positions 1 and 3 or positions 2 and 4? In essence, I'm looking for my spring tides here and my neap tides here. So, a little bit of clarification there. Last question. The diagram below shows the position of the moon, earth, and sun. Why are the tide changes the smallest when the sun, moon, and the earth are aligned as shown? So, of course, you've got the sun here, the earth, the moon. First thing you'll need to do is figure out what phase is currently being displayed here. And then tell me why you think the tide change is the smallest when it's in this particular position. Now, this is one answer that is a short answer. Don't be worried if it looks like you got it wrong. Remember, this is a short answer. The computer doesn't understand how to score a short answer, so I will have to go in on the back end and score that one myself. So you may initially see somewhat of a lower score than you expect, but just remember that last question is one that I will have to score myself. So this concludes the week 4 Tides Check for Understanding oral recording.